Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are doing well. My name is أ.علي الأغا, your instructor for Translation 2 course. So, in this short video, I am going to briefly talk about what Translation 2 course contains. So, let me start with the presentation outline. During this course and in every lecture, I will be providing you with the quotation, which meant to motivate you, and I also want you from you to translate it. So I also move to the course description, course materials, and what assignments you will have along the 14 weeks. I will also talk about how I will evaluate and assess your achievement during the course. So our quote of the day states that without translation, I would be limited to the borders of my own countries. The translator is my most important ally. He introduces me to the world. So this course examines the theory and practice of translation from a variety of linguistics and cultural angles. It introduces key concepts such as relevance, equivalence, scopes, back translation, and explores critical approaches depending on the translated text types. By the end of the course, you should be able to translate different types of texts using strategies that suit the characteristics and type of the text. You also should be able to translate text as a unit of interconnected ideas using the appropriate links. So we will learn during the next 14 weeks that translation as a process and as a product. We'll learn and during the translation as a process some basic definitions used in translation. We'll learn about the intersemiotic translation, intralingual translation, and interlingual translation. We will also learn the degree of freedom in translation, such as interlinear translation, literal translation, free translation, communicative translation. And we will learn also what is the equivalence between two languages or between Arabic and English. We will know how to control the translation loss and what is loss, and how we culture transposition, basic principle about the culture transposition. We will learn about the collect. We will know about the culture borrowing and communicative translation and the back translation. And finally, during this course, we will learn about the parallelism. So we will know what is the definition of parallelism, simple cases of parallelism and complex cases, and we will know how to translate Arabic parallelism. So during this course, we will rely mainly on this book, which called Thinking Arabic Translation. It is a key reading for advanced students wishing to perfect their language skills or considering a career in translation. We also have another practical book which include many exams called the Advanced English Arabic Translation Practical Guide. So it contains a variety of texts and multiple drills. So we will try to solve some of the text inside it. So each of you should have the necessary reference box. I will upload it on your e-learning website, and you will download it, and you will have also another reference box such as the Oxford Arabic Dictionary or a monolingual Arabic dictionary such as المنجد في اللغة والإعلام, and also some online dictionaries. So don't worry about buying the box or something like that. I will provide you with the PDF files, so you only just open it using your mobile or your tab or via computer or your personal PC or laptop, just using Ctrl F, search for the word, and that's it. You didn't need to buy the box. So the assignments of the course will be distributed along the 14 weeks. These include, but not limited to, every week you will be provided with short text translation tasks. You also will have long text translation tasks at the end of finishing each chapter, and you will have also 5 quizzes. The highest 4 will be counted. So the evaluation and assessment of your achievement will be according to the Isra University rules and regulations. Will be distributed by the following criteria. For example, 10% you will have, or 10 marks you will have on the attendance and participation in the Zoom meeting or in the Zoom lecture. Or again, you have to prepare beforehand of the lecture. I will provide you what to do next in every class. You will have 10% for solving assignments, which I mentioned before, the weekly based translation, short translation tasks and the long translation tasks. So you will have also 20% for the quizzes, or the highest 4 out of 5 quizzes. And the rest of the marks will be given to your final exam at the end of the course. So if you have any questions about the course, you can contact me using this number, or send me an email on this giving email. Thank you very much.